Hi my dear students, welcome to my biology class. In the previous class, we could learn about one of the most important cell organelles of the eukaryotic cell. Today, we are going to learn about two important cell organelles of the typical eukaryotic cell. Those are Golgi bodies and lysosomes. Now, all of you observe the diagram of a typical eukaryotic cell. You can observe different cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, plastids in the case of plant cells, ribosomes, etc. Here we are going to study more about Golgi bodies and lysosomes. First of all, let's learn about Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are also known as Golgi apparatus. It was first described by Camillo Golgi in 1898. Camillo Golgi in 1898. By black reaction method using weak silver nitrate solution. He could observe the delicate cell structures by black reaction method. Black reaction method by using weak silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution. By proper staining with this, he could observe the delicate ramifications of the cell. He could observe the origin and the distribution of certain delicate cell organelles or structures that are present in the cell. He could also study about the nerve cell in detail. Now let's come to the point, Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are also known as Golgi complex, as it consists of membrane-bound flattened sacs, vesicles and vacuoles. Now you can observe the diagram of Golgi complex. So it consists of parallelly arranged membranous sac, flattened sac like this, and also consists of small vesicles and vacuoles. Vesicles, vacuole and the parallelly arranged membrane bound flattened sac. Flattened sacs. These are known as cisternae. Cisternae. So this is the structure of Golgi bodies. Now let's understand the functions of Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are located near the endoplasmic reticulum of the eukaryotic cell because their functions are related with the endoplasmic reticulum. The materials that are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum are transported to the Golgi bodies. So, Golgi bodies perform a specific function. They involve in the storage, modification, packaging and dispatching of the substances that are stored over there. So, first of all, they receive the substances from the endoplasmic reticulum and modify them and package them and also transport these substances to the required site of the cell. The main function is storage, modification, packaging and dispatching of substances. The second function, they involve in the synthesis of complex polysaccharides or sugars from simple sugars. So, produce or synthesize what? Complex sugars from simple sugars. Simple sugars. Third function, they participate in the formation of lysosome. That is another important cell organelle found in the cytoplasm. Okay, they involve in the formation of what? Lysosomes. Lysosomes. Then it forms as a network of the complex cytoplasmic channel or transportation system, because it is connected with the endoplasmic reticulum, so it is involved in the packaging and dispatching of the materials. So it becomes the part of the complex cytoplasmic framework of the cell. These are also involved in the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids in the cell. These are some important functions of the Golgi body. Next, we are going to study about another important cell organelle, that is lysosomes. Lysosomes. Lyso means digestive. Soma means body. Soma means body. So, lysosome means digestive bodies. These are found in almost all eukaryotic cells except the mature mammalian RBC. These are membrane-bound vesicles which are scattered in the cytoplasm. Membrane-bound vesicle, spherical structure. It has a membranous cover and the inner part is called matrix, which has powerful digestive enzyme, that is hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzymes or digestive enzyme. What is the purpose of digestive enzyme? The enzymes are used to break down the complex substances into the simplest one. Here also the lysosomes perform the same activity. They can digest the worn out cells and the foreign particles or microbes that get into the cell. So they are known as the waste disposal system of the cell. Waste disposal system. That means that they receive the dead cells and digest them. They destroy them, so that they are known as the natural scavengers of the cell. Natural scavengers. Okay. When the cell is under disturbances, that means when the cellular activities are undergone disturbances, the cell gets damaged. At this condition, the entire cell will be digested with the help of the powerful enzymes that are present in the lysosomes, so that it is involved in self-digestion. So, the lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell. Did you get it? So, these are known as waste disposal system or the natural scavengers of the cell. As it receives the dead cells and clean them, they are also known as the suicidal bags of the cell. So, they can digest the entire cell when the cell is under threat or when the cell undergoes certain damages. Got it? So these are some important functions of lysosomes. The hydrolytic enzymes that are present in the lysosomes are synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So today we have learned about the structure and function of two important cell organelles. Those are Golgi bodies and the lysosomes. So I hope you understood the topics well. With this, I conclude my session. Then thank you and have nice moments.